Hi everyone, I'm Mark Deanna from AMD and we're here at CES 2013 at the Tiger Direct Charity Race Build-Off. We love Tiger Direct loves us, and we're proud to support them, and we're proud to support this PC Charity Race Build-Off.
I had a blast. This whole thing, thanks to Tiger Direct, has just, spoiled us rotten. The race, it was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Nothing but adrenaline. I didn't even look at my components. You put in, your graphics card, your memory, your hard drive, and then you hook all the screws up the CD-ROM drive as well. I just went to plugging stuff in, do what I do best. I practiced all week for this event, and I brought it home, and I can't believe it. I built over 200 computers so far, mostly AMD. The whole Phenom series, and then the FX and Bulldozer on top of that. Dollar for performance is just through the roof. I'm really excited about the new 8000 AMD graphics cards. They're really going to put performance for graphics cards to a whole new level. They're pushing the limits to the new PCI Express 3.0 socket, and just really excited to see how they're going to perform. I thought winning a trip to Las Vegas was, here's a hotel, here's a little bit of food, here's a contest, on your way home. No, I got a computer, I got a headset, and on top of all that, I want a free AMD processor for coming out and spinning a wheel.